National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Iroquois County in east central Illinois, Benton County, southern Newton County, southwestern Jasper County, until 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time, or 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, or 1:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hopkins Park to near Martinton to near Cullum, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waseca, Fowler, Gilman, Kentland, Clifton, Milford, Otterbein, Remington, Morocco, Anarga, Oxford, Sheldon, Chubance, Goodland, Brook, Sisseton Park, Boswell, Ashcombe, Martinton, and Earl Park. Including the following interstates: I-57 between mile markers 281 and 301. Indiana I-65 between mile markers 200 and 210. This includes US 41 Dragway.
US 41.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 1:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper and Newton, and Iroquois, Illinois.